Greetings everyone, you're welcome back to Blessing's Kitchen, and today I am going to teach you how to make homemade soya milk. Refreshing homemade soya milk from a soya beans. Soya milk is very rich in fiber, rich in protein, and guess what? It is cholesterol free. Soya milk is very simple to make and doesn't need much ingredient. And today's recipes, we have soya beans. This is what a soya bean seed look like. You can get it in any local market. Just ask for a soya beans. And today we are making 3 cups of soya beans. This is 3 cups of soya beans, 1 cup of sugar. I am using golden penny sugar, and a spoon of salt, 1 spoon of salt. And this is vanilla flavor. It is optional. Let's begin with the making. After picking the soya beans very properly, soak in normal water for about 9 to 10 hours. I soaked this at 9 p.m. and cover up. See you guys next morning. And guys, this is 8 a.m. in the morning. As you can see, the soya beans is doubled in size. Let's wash properly and filter. Wash like 3 to 4 times. You don't need to peel the bark. There are different methods of making the soya milk. In this method, you don't need to peel the bark. Just wash properly. There are some methods you need to peel the bark before blending, but in my recipes, I don't need to peel the bark. Now the soya beans are properly washed. Time to blend. You need to add enough water to enable it to blend smoothly. Blend very smooth, as you can see. Remember, we are making 3 cups of soya beans today. I'm going to add 1 jug of water. Be careful not to add too much water. Add 1 jug of water into the blended soya beans. This is a net, the normal net we use to wash pap. Time to sieve. Pour the blended soya beans into the net to filter very properly. Squeeze till all the juice are drained. You can use your hands, but today I am using wooden spoon. It's very easy. Now these are what the chaffs looks like, but as you can see, I think it's still milky, so we have to add more water into the chaffs. I am adding half jug of water this time into the chaff. Mix properly. After mixing thoroughly, you filter 1 more time. Squeeze properly and make sure all the milks are drained out of the chaff. And this time around, I think all the milks are drained out of the chaffs. Some dietitians use this chaff to make swallow, but I trash mine away because time to the main thing. You need to pour your filtered soya milk juice into the big pot. Add the filtered soya milk into the big pot for proper boiling. You need to boil this for 40 minutes to 1 hour. You need to boil it for 40 minutes to 1 hour. I boiled mine for complete 1 hour to avoid stomach upset. Don't forget to cover halfway, because when it starts boiling, the foam will rise and might mess up your kitchen. So you need to cover halfway and stir constantly. Please do not leave your kitchen for a second, because you might come back to meet foam everywhere all over your kitchen. So you need to stay around to turn it constantly. And after 1 hour, turn off your gas. To make sure that it's properly done, you need to see this substance on top of it when it gets cold. Allow to cool down and add your sugar. I added 1 cup of sugar, 1 leveled cup of sugar, 1 teaspoon of salt, and vanilla flavor. Guys, the vanilla flavor is optional. And stir thoroughly. You can serve hot or cold, but I refrigerate mine. I like it when it's chilled. And guys, our refreshing, healthy, homemade soya milk is ready. Thank you so much, guys, for cooking with blessing today. Please join us next time. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel. Click on the notification bell to enable you get notified whenever we make a post. Please invite your friends to subscribe to our channel. We are going to learn so much from here. Cheers, guys. Thank you for watching. Bye.